Hello everyone, welcome to this JavaScript problem solving. Now, uh, today's problem is add up the numbers from a single number, create a function that takes a number as an argument, add up all the numbers from 1 to the number you pass to the function. For example, if you input is 4, then your function should return 10 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Example is going to be this, and note that expect any positive numbers between 1 and 1000. So the number you are inputting is must be positive and it should be between 1 and 1000. So let's code it up. Now I have taken the index.html and script.js and added linked the script file to the index file, and now I'm going to open it up in the live server, and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift J. So it is going to go straight to the console. Now I'm going to first I'm going to make a function. The function is going to be called addUp. I'm going to take a parameter, and this is our input number, and then I'm going to write an if else statement. If n is less than 0, n cannot be negative, or n is greater than 1000, n cannot be greater than 1000, or the type of n is not equal to number. If it is a string or anything, then you are going to say that console log expect any positive number between, so not expect, return alert enter between number 1 and 1000. So addUp, I'm going to call the addUp and see what happens. Now if I put minus 500, what happens? See, there is an alert, enter any positive number between 1 and 1000. If I put, let's just say 1002, what happens? It is going to give me an alert, enter any positive number. Okay. And if I write string, give a string, what does it say? Enter any positive number. Okay, so it is working. Now I'm going to say else statement. In the else statement, I'm going to take a variable. It is 1 is going to be a is going to be 0 and variable b is going to be 1. Now I'm going to create a for statement, a for loop, and say let. Now what it means by that is that our loop is going to continue playing as long as it is less than our input number. Let's just say if the input number is 4, then our loop is going to get played 3 times. Now let's see and what is going to happen inside every loop. Inside every loop, our a is going to turn into a plus b, and our b is going to turn into b plus 1, and I'm going to return console log a. Let's see what is the answer. Answer is 10. So our code is correct. So what is happening here, if I try to debug this, now for the first iteration our a is 0, b is equal to 1. For the second iteration, let's see what happens. Now our a has turned into, focus here, our a has turned into 1 and b is going to turn into 2, right? This is now for the second iteration, our a is going to turn into 3 and b is going to turn into 3. For the third iteration, A is going to turn into 4. Um, Now it is the second iteration. A is going to turn into 6, B is going to turn into 4. And our last iteration, A is going to turn into 10 and B is going to turn into 5. Now our console log A, when the loop is over, our A is going to be 10. This is what we are looking for. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 plus 10. So for, let's see, for 13 it should turn into, let me first close it. So for 13 we should get 91, 91, and for 600 we should get 180300, 180300. So we got our answer. So that was the solution of this problem. See you in the next video.